Hi guys, welcome to Club UX. In the interaction design series, today we are discussing about 5 dimensions of interaction design. We have already discussed in detail about what is interaction design with the help of example. We have also discussed the difference between interaction design, user experience design, user interface design. So, design is all about creating conversation between the user and the product. Interaction design is designing interaction between users and products. The ultimate goal of interaction design is to create products that allows users to achieve their objectives in the most efficient way. From computers to mobile devices to physical products to digital products. Interaction design is all about creating the conversation between the user and the product in such a way that user is able to perform their task in the most efficient way. For example, you go to the ATM machine. Your task is to get money from the ATM machine. Now there are 3 ways you can interact with the machine. Number 1, through voice command. Number 2, by using the keypad. Or number 3, by using their touch screen. So it is all about the interaction design, how to create these interactions between the user and the product. Now let's discuss the 5 dimensions of interaction design which would help you to understand the basics while creating the interaction design for a product. Number 1 is words. One of the ways by which a design communicates with the user is with the help of words. Words encompasses information. The information should be passed on to the user in such a way that it is meaningful and easy for the user to understand. Words encompasses text such as button labels, menu items, tags, which help give users the right amount of information. Too much information can overwhelm the user. So the word should be in such a way that it is easier, meaningful and organic. The user should be able to understand what the design is telling them in the most easy and meaningful way. Second dimension is visual representation. We human beings are highly visual. It is more easier for us to understand the information if presented visually, other than just plain text. So consider present information in the form of, say, icons or images with text beneath it. Visual representations are graphical elements such as images, typography, and icons that aid in user interactions. These visual representation acts as supplement to the words. Third dimension is physical objects or space. Physical objects or space are the medium through which the user interacts with the product or service. User's physical environment can affect how he or she interacts with a product or service. Hence, you must take into consideration the physical environment of the user. For example, let's suppose you're designing a microwave. The object is microwave and the physical object or the physical environment is the kitchen. Fourth dimension is time. It is a little abstract, but it refers to the media that changes with time, such as animation, video, sound. Motion and sounds play an important role in how a user navigates and interacts with the product. These kind of elements create a little bit of excitement when the user engages with the product. Let's suppose that the user has completed their task. So the success message can come up with a little bit of sound and an animation. It would lead more engagement from the user and would create a sense of excitement. Fifth dimension is behavior. It ultimately depends on how the other 4 dimensions has influenced the user interaction with the product. Behavior includes action as well as reaction when user interact with the product. This dimension also looks at emotional feedback from the user. The feedback is then used to form user recommendations. For example, let's suppose that the user has shopped on a shopping website. Now that you have received your success message that yes, your shopping is completed, the website might prompt more actions. For example, explore more products or continue shopping. Now it all depends on how the other 4 dimensions has influenced your user interaction. You might pursue and explore more products, or you might decide to abandon your task. This is all about behavior, which is the 5th dimension of interaction design. So guys, in this video, we understood about the 5 dimensions of interaction design. If you want to learn more about interaction design, if you want to learn how interaction design differs from user experience and user interface design, then make sure to look out for more videos. You can check out our description box. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Make sure that you check out our website yukti.io, where you will find a lot of articles on interaction design, UX, UI, user research. and I will see you next time.